Even the man again taking a quamono. Now, I said, Kuno Fuka can do Yoruba Sieme. Kuno Fuka can do Yoruba Sia Church. Only Hebena. Ginandano one or in Ajus on Wigisige. In Walihe, naming a Nigeria boy awful that will make this people Hana when one hand working out so far. Imana Kahapo Chakwanke and the politics. In the midst of nonsense, there is sense in it. Obula ndi buy ya na akwu ndi buy na azu ka ndi anwasi akwu ndi be ha na azu, we wouldn't have been here and wouldn't have been where we are today. Kedu ihe menji we kwa ya na reply this guy nyere this pastor kuloku maka Tinubu, kuloku maka ihe na Nigeria. I don't know why nobody copy to be with their problem in this country. Ihe na-eme mana onye ọzọ with the problem. Instead of holding somebody responsible. You know, I'm going to be an walk with the busy night working. And then this video go on here, man. Got it one.
I vote for Tinubu. I support Tinubu. You like it or not, I don't care. You know me, I am not afraid. You know why? Because if I see another Yoruba person, I will support. That is the only Yoruba person I have seen. Hear me, journalists, if you want to write, write. If you want to attack me, attack me. I am not a bastard. I cannot be a Yoruba boy and go and vote for Igbo.
So a while ago, I posted this video about Prophet Israel, and the video really trended. I mean, if you go to my Facebook, it has over 2,200 or 2,300 comments, 1,200 shares. And on Facebook, if your post ever gets to 500 shares, you know, say people verse. Not to now talk of 1,200 shares, over 100,000, over 110,000 views. So that simply means that people reacted. And if you look at this video, let's forget tribalism. Even Yoruba people reacted. Yoruba people are not happy with this video at all. They are not happy with this video. I intentionally made this video the way I made it. I actually knew it would get to Prophet Israel. On my Instagram, it got a lot of comments, more than 1,000 comments. Now what happened? After like a day or 2 days, Prophet Israel reached out to me. Normally, I wouldn't have come out to tell you about our conversation. But I'm coming out to tell you about our conversation because Nigerian pastors, you people need to learn to own up to your responsibilities. If you make mistakes, come out to say, I made a mistake, I am sorry. One thing that is not common amongst our Nigerian pastors is apology. They know how to use their office to cover their mistakes. A lot of American pastors have preached wrongly, and after like few years they come out they will tell you, I preached so way, I am sorry. Even Pastor E.A. Adeboye preached about tithes one time, and he said that if you are a Christian and you don't pay tithes, you will go to hell. After a few years he came out, he said, I am sorry, I am wrong, it is not biblical. But you know what? A lot of redeemer knew that is not biblical, but nobody countered it. Everybody go to church to listen to pastor. Nobody goes home to go and open the Bible to read by themselves. And this is the reason why everybody see pastors as God. No pastor on earth is God. I repeat, no pastor on earth is God. The greatest of these pastors are still a human being, or is still a human being. Think about it. The greatest and the greatest of all these pastors, the greatest of them all, the most spiritual of them all is still a human being. So you people are human beings like us, but called to an office. The fact that you are called to an office makes you vulnerable to mistakes. And guess what? The fact that you make mistakes does not make you less of a child of God. So the reason why I'm doing this is because all of you need to learn. You all need to learn. All the pastors, I repeat, all of you pastors in Africa need to learn to understand that you can make mistakes. And stop using your office to cover your mistakes. Now he reached out to me. Hello, good morning. I said, hello, sir. He said, good morning. This is Prophet Israel Genesis. I really want to appreciate you for making the video you made concerning me. I am not reaching out to you to be defensive, good, that is nice, or to argue with you. But I think it is important to clarify some things. I said, okay. Oh, Prophet, sir, good morning, sir. Thank you for reaching out. That's very humble of you. In my video, I am unapologetic making it because I know it will get to you. But if you watch the video, I still make sure I respect your office in calling you a prophet. Because when I was making the video, if you check my comment, both Facebook and Instagram, they kept asking, why they call her prophet? Why they call her prophet? No, I still get home training. So I still get home training. Do you understand? Then he now said, how are you? I say, I'm very well, thank you, sir. And you and yourself? I was doing fine, not until I was sent a link to the post you made. The clip you reposted was heavily edited. Now here is where I'm going to. Was heavily edited and taken out of the original context. The statement was made in 2023 before President Tinubu even assumed office. I was making an illustration about how different ethnic group often support candidates they identify with. Now, support candidates they identify with does not have to be tribalistic. And I simply stated, as a Yoruba man, there was nothing stopping me from supporting a Yoruba candidate if I choose to. It was not a call of tribalism, nor was it an attempt to promote division. Now, after hearing this part, watch the video.
I cannot be a Yoruba boy and vote for Igbo boy. I vote for Tinubu. I support Tinubu. You like it or not, I don't care. I'm shouting Obi Kumana. What do I owe it to Obi Kumana? I'm not an Igbo boy. Show me Yoruba money. Tí Igbo bá dúró tì wá, ó máa dúró tì ra wọn pa ni. Táwùsá bá dúró tì ra wọn, ó máa dúró tì ra wọn pa ni. Bí o tiẹ̀ mọ̀ ṣe ẹ tiẹ̀ fún ní chance yẹn wò. The major reason is because I'm a Yoruba man, that's all. If you are an elder in the church and you are busy talking about Obi in your church, you can decide not to come to this church room. I am your father. Who I follow is who you follow.
So now, after watching the video, let me read it again. The clip you reposted was heavily edited and taken out of the original context. The statement was made in 2023 before President Tinubu assumed office. I was making an illustration about how different ethnic groups often support candidates they identify with, and simply state that as a Yoruba man, there was nothing stopping me from supporting a Yoruba candidate if I choose to. It was not a call to tribalism, nor was it an attempt to promote division.
I vote for Tinubu. I support Tinubu. You like it or not, I don't care. You know me, I am not afraid. You know why? Because if I see another Yoruba person I will support, that is the only Yoruba person I have seen. Hear me, journalists, if you want to write. If you want to attack me, attack me. I am not a bastard. I cannot be a Yoruba boy and go and vote for Igbo.